recall that I was the only person back in July 25th, 2007, who warned of exactly what has happened to the world economy since. Now, more recently, a few leading economists have come forth to, in their own way, support views which coincide with my own. I say, as an expert, as people who said the contrary over the intervening years, that this policy, which has been foisted upon the President of the United States, can sink the United States and his presidency very quickly. There is no way the President could expect to survive politically from this policy, even in the relatively short term. First of all, it is incompetent, it is unconstitutional, and it will destroy the United States. And the people out there, not the liberals he's listening to from the higher paid liberals, but the typical citizens out there, the lower 60 to 70% of the population, will turn against him harshly if he doesn't abandon this foolish policy. There is a solution, and there always has been one solution, since I specified that between July 25th, 2007 and September of 2007. Put this entire system into bankruptcy reorganization. Take all the crap and throw it away. Reconstruct the banks according to Glass-Steagall standards. Bail out the banks. Don't bail out the creditors. Bail out the banks by providing them credit, government credit, which enables them to build their way back to solvency. Don't buy out the speculators. Don't bribe the speculators. Otherwise, you're not going to be president much longer, Mr. President. I've been doing everything I can to help you survive as president and succeed. But this mistake you've made now, under bad advice, under incompetent advice, can sink you and sink the presidency and sink the United States. Because if you go down now, you're going to take the United States down with you. And you're going to get increasingly unpopular over the coming days and weeks. So change now. Abandon this policy, which is unconstitutional in any case. And if it's not only unconstitutional, it's immoral. So be a moral president. Reject this. And I'm sure that you will find that the great majority of the American citizens will come to your aid if you do this. Cut it out now, Mr. President. It's a terrible mistake. I'm the expert. I'm the best qualified expert. There are other people who agree with me, more or less, among leading people today. But I'm the expert, and I'm telling you, don't make this mistake. It's like political suicide. Stop it now.